Hello everyone, we are Team Goldicus and our problem ID is SIH 1616. The problem statement is Indian Sign Language to text or speech translation. In the team it comes under miscellaneous. In the category it comes under is software. The solution we came up with for the problem statement is to create an app that can translate the Indian Sign Language into text or speech that can be viewed by the people who can't understand the sign language. We have many ideas and features to be implemented with this app that can help the deaf community to improve their social skills and can live a normal life. Some of the important features we plan to include are that implementing different kind of sign language that are present inside of India and then converting them so all the deaf people from different places can communicate with other people. The framework or technical approach that we plan to undergo for this translation process is demonstrated in the flowchart to give a wide knowledge about our model. First, we collect all the datasets that are required from the model to work, and we will extract the feature in it and store it uh, a file or CSV file format to use in our MI model 1 that we use Python program language to create another model that can recognize our movement and the match image size that we gave us training data. This is done by using OpenCV, which is model is used to capture image, or in other words it is used to access the camera. Then the media pipe module is used to track the movements of the hand using data points. Then the future of this hand is extracted, and with the help of CNN and RNN algorithm we get the data from array and verify the gesture with our training data and classify them according to the label we gave them in our code. Throughout this process, the sign language is converted into text. Then we use GTTS and PyTDX to convert text into speech. We do this as a backend process to identify the hand sign and translate it into a text or speech for the customer. And we will design and develop an application that is simple and easy to understand and use for the consumer. We use Java to create the app that we plan to make using Android Studio or Flutter with a Dart language. To talk about the feasibility of our problem, to talk about the feasibility of our problem solution, the technologies that are needed like TensorFlow and MediaFly and all other technologies as well develop. Even though there are some issues with accuracy, we will try to address by giving as much of the training sample as possible in order to increase accuracy. We plan to give more than 500 data for a single alphabet in sign language to improve the accuracy. So for the data about the Indian Sign Language words and letter, we have the official Indian Sign Language website which can provide us with the data that are required. About the challenges that we are going to face is that one I already told, that is the accuracy, and I already told how we are going to face it as for. Another problem is the one that I said. I think we will add an extra feature that would differentiate our solution from others is we are going to get the data of different variant of Indian Sign Language in India, and it implemented in our app so that every sign language user can use our app without any restriction. And we also plan to use some pre-processing technique to improve the output of our model. We also took many reference from each impacts and benefits. Yeah, our solution makes deaf people to communicate easier with each others. The interaction between the deaf people and others would be improved. Just on a minimal environmental impact, better employment opportunity for the deaf people who are rejected by not able to speak or communicate with each others by socially. Education could be made education could be made common. The truth is and also a bridge between deaf people and normal people can benefit deaf community in anywhere like in education, and connection, developed statistics, prototype, yeah. Our application can work as a bridge between deaf people and normal people, which can benefit deaf community in many ways, like in education and improving the social skills. Can make conversation with others much more easier. We have developed our starting stage of our prototype, which only we have to letter as that as for now the letter N be in future we will implement all the letters and even words with it. I will demonstrate how the model works. First we need to show the hand sign for the letter A or B in front of the camera, and our algorithm will recognize your hand will tell that output if your hand gesture matches the given data. Since otherwise it will not output anything. It will not show output anything. We have more to improve in this code, and this is very basic of our code which will definitely improve in near future. It's creating an awesome app that showcase this future with you. Thank you for this opportunity for presenting our presentation. Thank you. Reference. We also took many reference from YouTube and the research paper that are found on it. We used some software for debugging purpose like Blackbox and ChatGPT, and here are some of the reference we took before getting deep into the project.
Now I will be explaining about the prototype that I have created for the hand recognition through our camera. We have imported various modules like OpenCV, TensorFlow, GTTS, NLP and many more. So as we talk, the code is running for the hand recognition and camera can be accessed as soon as the run code is completed. So over here we have used OpenCV and TensorFlow to recognize the camera flow and GTTS for the text and speech conversion. So we shall wait a few more seconds to see the output. So we have reached the final stage of the code, and while opening the camera here we can see that the signs like A, which can be recognized by both the hands joining together, so it depicts sign A, and sign B can be depicted too. So we are looking forward to enhance our model as soon as possible for the betterment of the deaf people.